the love of your person, the comfort of your companionship, and okay. Vows. The only one that's protected is Kristen.
Rich, I want to thank you for showing me how adventurous and wonderful life is. You awakened me to what the world has to offer, and you have helped me realize what I have to offer the world. I'm sorry to worry. I'm in awe of your intelligence, kindness, and humor, and every day that we spend together, I fall more and more in love with you. I promise to stand by your side through good times and bad. I promise to support you through home improvement projects that might take longer than first intended, and I promise to make you a time when I can do the rest of you take you out of the ride. Go in. Okay.
Susan, we've shared an incredible bond since we started our journey together in Seattle many years ago. Since then, we've grown together, fought together, and worked together. The thought of marriage and spending the rest of my life with you, with somebody with scary.
Umbrellas over there. Someone grab the umbrellas.
When I figured out that person was you, I wanted the rest of my life to start right away.
Okay, this is nuts.
Can you stay forward, I promise.
Well, it's going to be memorable. Shit. Well, it's going to be a memorable wedding. I gotta.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so
You know, the one thing I was like, you know, everyone's walking underneath trees, and it's like, you know, the light goes down.